Good afternoon to all of you, class 7 students. This is number system chapter and that is part 2 video. In this video, we will see about positional number system and number system. Means what is positional and non-positional. So their differences and their symbols. Along with that, we will start conversion from one number system to another number system, like decimal number system to binary, binary to octal, decimal to octal, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, and vice versa. So let's start positional and non-positional. Positional number system, which have number systems have some symbols, means that will be always repeated the symbols, like if have a symbol 1, then for second it will be second 1 1, that symbol is repeated second times, then it will repeat it third time, then it will repeat it fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. So this is called non-positional number. There is no position, only the object will be added with the previous object. So this is called non-positional number system. Now the number system which we are using in our daily life, that is called positional number system. Again I am pointing, non-positional number system will be repeated that symbol again and again, like 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is called non-positional number. So let's see positional number system. पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम्स आर ओनली फ्यू सिम्बल्स कॉल्ड डिजिट्स. इसमें कुछ ही सिंबल होते हैं, उन्हें हम डिजिट बोलते हैं. लाइक डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में 0 से 9 होता है, जिसका बेस 10 होता है. इसी तरह बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम में 0 and 1 ओनली 2 सिम्बल्स आर देयर एंड बेस 2. And octal number system is 0 to 7, that is base 8, and hexadecimal system have 2 types of code. First 0 to 9 number, then A to F, that is alphabet, and base 16, means total number of symbols are 16. So this is called number system. So let's see about decimal number system which have base 10, how we form decimal number system. So we have an example. Suppose that we have 1 2 3, means 3 will be always counted as left side of the number, that will be multiplied by 1, then second left multiply by 10, थर्ड लेफ्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10. मतलब हम जितना हम लेफ़्ट से राइट की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, हमारा बेस 10 का पावर बढ़ता जाता है. और कैसे हम फॉर्म करते हैं, लेट्स सी. सपोज दैट वी हैव 3 4 5. let's take another example. We have 4 1 3. So how we will make it decimal properly, means place value, that is the last number, then second second to the left of 3, that is 1 into 10, and again 4, that is third place, so 4 into 100, third place, and we will count all 3 10 400, 400 plus 10 plus 33, so that will be 413. So that is the representation of decimal number. So now let's see binary number, how binary number will be represent. It's base 2. A number is already we have taken 1001 and we converted it into decimal number system, that will be 9. How 9 will be derived? So let's see. 1 is there, that is the place value 0. Second 0 is there, place value 1, place value 2, place value 3. So always we will start place value, just like decimal number system. Suppose that 413 we have taken, and just note down the place value of upper side. 2012 from left to right, just we multiply by power of 10, 2 to the power 10, 1 into 10 to the power 1, plus 3 into 10 to the power 0. So what will be the answer? 4 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 3 into 1, so that will be 400, plus 10 plus 3, that will be 413. That is decimal number. So as we have to convert binary number, how we convert binary number? 1 0 0 1, that is binary number. So just place the power 0, 1 2 3, 1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 3, वहाँ पे बेस 10 था तो 10 का पावर मैंने लिखा था, यहाँ बेस 2 है तो मैंने 2 का पावर लिखा। 0 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 2 प्लस 1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 1 प्लस 0, it's 0 into 2 to the power 1 and 1 into 2 to the power 0. Let's count. 1 into 2 to the power 3 means 8, that will be 0, that will be 0, and 2 to the power 0 means 1 into 1 1, so it will be represent 9. That is decimal number of 1001, that is base 2. So this is the simple conversion of decimal to binary, means that is the binary number convert into decimal number. So and decimal numbers, positional number system depend on the where the numbers are placed in the sequence of numbers. The non-positional number system doesn't depend the पोजीशन ऑफ द नंबर एंड सिम्बल्स। इसमें कोई भी पोजीशन या सिंबल नहीं होता है, कहीं भी कोई भी ये सिंबल कहीं भी लग सकते हैं, जबकि ऐसा पोजीशनल नंबर सिस्टम में नहीं है। सो लेट्स क्रिएट डेसिमल टू बाइनरी, डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम से बाइनरी और हेक्साडेसिमल और ऑक्टल आज कन्वर्ट करेंगे। तो 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. We are going to create for hexadecimal number. For hexadecimal number we need to form 4 digit 4 bit, that is 0 0 0 0. As we have told in earlier video, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, 1 0 1. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, not 16, till 15 it will be 1. So again this time 0 0 1 1 single 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now this time 4 times 0 4 times 1 0 0 0 0, 4 times 0 4 times 1 1 1 1 1, again 4 times 0 0 0 0 0, then 4 times 1 1 1 1 1. So again this time 8 times 0 and 8 times 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is the representation of hexadecimal code. So we can create hexadecimal code by this method. Okay, hexadecimal code. So students,